Come on, 3X. Time to see all this. Okay, get paint out of the way and I'll drop some big stuff. There we go, engine. Keep it going. Come on, keep it going. There it is. There it is. Nitrous, baby. Yeah. We just built a car on $2 bet. I just went to this too. And it was crazy because I did 6 spins, $8, and I dropped nitrous. There's spoiler. Now we need tint, graphic, and rims. Yes, sir. There's our graphics. Now it's going to drop the tint. And that's the whole car. Right there. Now that's not a mini boom. That's called an explosion. Yes, sir. Sammy the Bull would like that. Yeah. Yeah. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, y'all. I've been killing these machines. I mean, killing them. I probably, I think it was around over $4,000 now that I've got randomly from this place to another place that I play. I know it's over 4,000. And I probably have maybe $200 because I've just been nailing them. Been playing with all the free money I won. All right, y'all. You have a great and blessed day because I just been blessed again with the 3X car build.